Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ogonwadi. Thank you for joining me today. How are you doing? Hope you're all doing good. I'm doing great. It's a beautiful Friday. It's a beautiful weather. I hope you're stepping out to take a fresh air. All right, today I want to show you how to make this, like they call it a Mexican drink kind of. But according to history, it actually originated from Africa, from the northern part of Africa. So it's called horchata. I hope I'm calling it properly. Horchata, but it's a very beautiful drink. It's sweet. If you're into sweet drinks and stuff, this is for you. So it's made with rice. So right here you can see in this container what I have here is my rice. I have a cup of rice with 4 cups of water. I stored it in this container at room temperature overnight. You could do it for 4 hours, but I wanted to leave it overnight. And then today, right now, I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. So I have sugar, white sugar, you could use brown sugar. I have evaporated milk, which I've poured in this measuring cup. I also have regular full whole milk. I'm gonna be using a cinnamon powder, like 2 teaspoons. Of course, I'm gonna be using my vanilla extract, like a tablespoon of it. You're gonna need a strainer, a container or a cup where to pour it in, and this bowl is where I'm gonna be blending it. So let me show you how to put this together. But first of all, like I said, horchata in African, that's what we're gonna call it, but maybe Mexican calls it another way. But horchata, I think Mexican call it horchata de chula. Yeah, that's what my friend said. Like I said, it originated thousands years ago in North Africa. It was made from ground and sweetened tiger nuts. In Africa, we have something called tiger nuts, and it's very good for men. For men's potency, it's extremely good, but I don't really see it in this country. So anyway, the Mexicans substituted the tiger nut with rice. So that is it. But if I was in Nigeria and I wanted to do this, I was going to use tiger nut. But I don't have tiger nut, so I'm going to use rice, just like the Mexican, they do it. All right? You might have heard of this, or you've seen it, horchata de arroz. Arroz, we know, is mostly rice. It's beautiful. I mean, it's yummy. You need to try this. It's a drink that it could be, you can drink it hot or cold. So it's all weather drink. It's very nice. And for the rice, you could strain it after overnight or 12 hours or whatever time you left it. You could strain it and just use only the water if you think the rice is gonna be too much for you, maybe the taste or whatever. But if not, I'm gonna blend it. Just go ahead and blend the rice in the water, and and just strain it. And I mean, for you to get the real deal. All right. So anyway, let's go ahead in doing this. I mean, it's very simple. The instruction I'm gonna put in the description box below. It's not difficult. Anybody can do it. The serving says, I mean, could this 1 cup should be able to serve like 4 or 5 people, depending on the quantity you actually like. I mean, Mexican loves it. It's their traditional dessert drink. They love it so much, I like it too. I'm not just into sugar that much. And you can store it, it could stay up to 5 days. That's if it survives in your house that day because of how sweet it is. It could stay up to 5 days in the fridge, and then you could toss it out if at all you have any remaining. So let me show you how to make this beautiful sweet drink, or juice if I may call it. So this is the rice and the water, the 4 cups of water. I'm going to go ahead, let me crush it first. Now I'm going to blend. When I blend, I will sieve it and now use just the water. So guys, I brought out this blender because I noticed the food processor will not be, it was going to take me a long time. this will be faster for me. I'm gonna blend it here, sift it, and then finally I'll use the food processor to finish it up. All right. I'm now gonna, oh no, all right, this was what I wanted to do before. I'm just gonna strain it. Remember, if you think you don't want the rice, don't bother to do what I did. Just go ahead and use only the water. This is fine, so I just discard the rice. Now, you pour in the water from the rice and 2/3 of the evaporated milk, which is like a can of evaporated milk, and 1/2 cup of whole milk, sugar 2/3, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, ground cinnamon, and my vanilla, tablespoon of vanilla extract. Make sure it's pure vanilla extract, the good one. And basically that's it, and we go ahead and blend. You blend for 2 minutes. Okay, my horchata, or rather our horchata de arroz is here. I'm just going to transfer it into this container. Meanwhile, let me pour out the one I'm going to be testing. Yummy. Guys, you need to make this whatever weather. It's good. Oh, this is a lot. You know how Irish cream tastes? This is the replica. All right, guys, go ahead and try this Mexican recipe. It's beautiful. At least once in a while, spoil yourself with some sweet. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead. I told you there's a lot of goodies in this channel. Subscribe to my channel, join the family. Let's, you know, teach each other stuff. Leave me a comment below, whatever you want to advise, suggestion, whatever, comment box below. I'm gonna leave the description. And to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. Words cannot say enough how I appreciate you guys for always coming to join me. So thank you so much, and keep watching other videos, keep liking them, share this video, you know, keep cooking. Bye, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye from Wagomadi.